Good day everyone. Welcome to Teacher Julie channel. Hello everyone. We have our new lesson in Earth and Life Science, which is all about the properties of rock forming minerals. This will be the first quarter lesson and week 1. This lesson is under the milk-based. A mineral is defined as a natural occurring, usually inorganic solid with distinct chemical composition and unorderly crystalline structure. To test whether a sample of matter is a mineral, scientists need to assess the sample according to its characteristics. A silicate mineral contains silicon and oxygen and may consist of a metal. Examples are feldspar, orthoclase, and plagioclase. A non-silicate mineral does not contain silicon and oxygen, examples of which are gypsum, galena, and gorondium. In this lesson, you are to identify the common rock-forming minerals using their physical and chemical properties. The physical properties of minerals are related to their chemical composition and the type of its chemical bonding, whereas the chemical properties depend on the way the atoms are bound in the mineral's crystal structure. The following are the properties of minerals. The first one is the color. The property of the mineral that can easily be observed is its color. In our previous science lesson, we learned that color is the result of reflection of visible light. Color is a useful property of minerals. Corundum, it is a colorless mineral, is composed of aluminum and oxygen atoms. Corundum that contains traces of chromium forms a red gem called the ruby. Another type of corundum is sapphire, a blue-colored gem as a result of traces of iron and titanium. However, color alone may not be sufficient in identifying minerals, since some minerals may have almost the same color though they differ in their chemical structures. Another property of mineral is the luster. The ability of the mineral to reflect light from its surface is called luster. Metallic minerals have a metallic luster. This type of luster is manifested by the way polished metals reflect light, while non-metallic minerals have non-metallic luster. Non-metallic luster is classified into 4 types of luster, which are glassy luster, waxy luster, pearly luster, and brilliant luster. Another property of minerals is the streak. Streak refers to the color of the mineral in powdered form. The color of the mineral's powdered form may differ from its color in solid form. A mineral is rubbed against an unglazed ceramic tile to observe its streak. Metallic minerals have streaks that are dark in color. For example, the streak of gold color pyrite in black. On the other hand, the streak of non-metallic minerals is generally light in color. Another properties of minerals are the cleavage and fracture. Cleavage, it refers to the ability of a mineral to split along a weak plane forming a flat surface. Calcite is an example of mineral that has cleavage in 3 directions. On the other hand, a fracture, it refers to the capacity of a certain mineral to break along curved surfaces. Quartz is an example of the mineral that has a fracture. Another property of minerals is the density. Density is defined as the compactness of a sample of matter. It is calculated as mass divided by volume. Different samples of minerals of the same size differ in mass because of the different elements that make up such minerals. Minerals containing heavy metals like uranium, lead, silver, and gold have densities that range from 7 to 20 grams centimeter cube. The periodic table of elements shows that each element has a unique density. Another property of minerals is the hardness. The tendency of a mineral to resist abrasion or scratching is termed hardness. The Mohs scale of hardness shows the arrangement of minerals from the softest to the hardest. Hardness is the result of intermolecular bonding. The Mohs scale of mineral hardness arranges minerals according to their scratch resistance, from the softest to the hardest mineral. The sequence of Mohs scale is as follows: talc, gypsum, calcite, fluorite, apatite, feldspar, quartz, topaz, corundum, and diamond. Talc is the softest mineral while the diamond is the hardest. Another properties of minerals is their reaction with acids. Minerals that contain carbonate react with acid. For example, a sample of calcite react with dilute hydrochloric acid. Another properties of minerals is the fluorescence. The ability of the mineral to glow when bombarded with ultraviolet light is called the fluorescence. In this condition, minerals may not glow under ordinary lights. This is because such minerals are selective of the wavelength of light that causes it to glow. Calcite possesses this property. And the last properties of minerals is the phosphorescence. Some minerals would continue to glow even after a source of ultraviolet light has been turned off. This ability is called the phosphorescence. The ore of lithium possesses these characteristics.